Can you be denied or not win the DV lottery just because of the photo which you have uploaded in the DV lottery? 100% yes. The photo of the DV lottery is the most crucial part of the entire application. Millions of people don't go to the second phase of selection because of improper photograph. I have made a video detailing every single thing you need to know about the photo, every mistake to avoid because of the photo. What I want to tell you or advise you is make sure that you prepare your photo for the DV lottery way in advance, so that you have the chance of to correct that photo before you go to apply. Again, if you live with your children, make sure you take them to the studio or a person who can take a very good photo. If the children, they live in the boarding school, when they come at home before the lottery application, make sure that they also go to take a good photo. If your spouse lives in another city, make sure they get overall have those photos, because some people on the day of the application, they don't have the photo. The kids are in boarding school, they end up putting 0 and they say, oh, I forgot. There is no forgetting that you don't have children. Without the photo, you cannot apply. And the photo of the main applicant is very crucial. It is the photo of the dependent, the derivative. If your child has a photo which doesn't meet the requirement, can be denied. And if it is denied, his entire family going to be removed from the lottery application. So the photo is the most single important aspect of why many people cannot go to the last phase of randomly selection of the DV lottery. So take this in higher level of importance, put in your higher alert, like your entire dream depends on the photo of the DV lottery to be selected.